Hello everybody, Fernando here. Today we're gonna talk about my favorite niche on Amazon. Stick around. Thank you for stopping by. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more cool videos like this. I wanna share with you one of my favorite niches on Amazon. And it's a niche, maybe you can guess what it is. It's a niche that has low returns, low complaints, people spend more money, people will pay for the box, and people will not do a very good amount of research before purchasing it. Do you know what this niche is? It is the gift niche. And I love this niche because, like I said, people are buying the products, they're giving to their friends, low returns because it's a gift, nobody's gonna return. People will pay more if you have an amazing box because they want to impress their friends, especially if the gift is going to be opened in a birthday party. Third, they're willing to pay more for quality because they don't want to gift someone with a lousy product. They care about customer support because if something goes wrong, the person that got the presents can call back and have an amazing support. So I really like this niche, and there are some people using a lot of creativity to create gifts that with things that are common, but when they're put together, they become something spectacular. So one of my favorites is the wine gift. I'm gonna put the wine gift over here. It has a little mug, wine cup. It has a coaster. It has the socks. It has a bottle. How do you call that? Oh my God, I forgot the name of that. I'm gonna put the name here. And it's just a box full of cute stuff, and it's the perfect gift for women that like wine, and it's an amazing idea just to show you how much this person is making. Managed by Stats, it doesn't show the revenue here, but Jungle Scouts is going to show this person is making $132,000 per month in sales with this product. So you see the point? It's a good idea to work with gifts. Now the next one I have a gift idea for office. So if you're working with your colleague, with your boss, here's a mug holder that keeps your coffee hot. Again, amazing idea. People are gonna be willing to pay a lot more for a quality cup like this. This one is making $46,000 per month. The next one is gonna be another one related to wine, is the cheese platter. Another great idea to gift people on birthdays, on occasions, on Christmas. And this one is going for $77,000 per month. Okay, next one up, we have one for travel. It's the little, how do you call that? The money belt. So the money belt, again, there's tons of gifts for travel. You can make like the suitcase labels. You can make like travel pillows. You can make like backpacks that have like hidden zippers, so it's anti-theft. So there are a lot of opportunities here with travel. This one I really like. This one, according to Jungle Scouts, it's making only $3,000 per month. So this is not as good as I thought. So let me see the other one. The other one is a bike related. So you can think of that for everything. So if you have like someone that likes to cycle, you can go bike gifts, and then you're gonna see a list of all these cool gifts, and then you can see how much money they're making. And if you make an amazing box, guess what? People are gonna go crazy. And if you add some bonus and use your creativity, you can really make a differentiation, and you're gonna compete with people that are buying it for presents. So low return rates. Let me see this one. This bike lights, they're making $250,000 per month. Imagine that. Okay, so the next one, it's a toolkit for men, like for Rumble. And so if you know someone that has like the many type, that like to fish and outdoorsy, you can give this gift. It's an amazing gift. You can use your creativity with the box and make it really stand out. And according to Jungle Scouts, this one is making $119,000. And finally, we have the neck, shoulder, back massager, which is, I didn't think about this product, but as I was searching gift ideas, it kept popping up. So I decided to put this one here because it looks like an awesome gift on second thoughts. And looking at Jungle Scouts, you're gonna see these ones making $220,000. So that is my video for today. If you're going to, if you're an Amazon seller, consider going into the gift niche. And even if you just chose a product, maybe you can think of ways to make that product that you chose a gift. You know, and you don't compete with everybody else. You compete with people that are looking for gifts. And then you can charge a lot more. You can make an amazing box. You can get a bunch of new items and bundle them together and make like a kit. And this is one of my best ideas for Amazon sellers. Hope you like it. Don't forget to help me with the YouTube algorithm, liking this video and also subscribing for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.